What if I told you there's a YouTube niche that can pay you over $10 per 1,000 views, and most people still aren't taking advantage of it? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I create high RPM financial documentary videos using AI, and how you can start doing the same today. Imagine finding a niche that doesn't just go viral, but also generates a high income. Well, I've already found one for you, the financial documentary niche. Yes, you heard that right. This niche is quickly becoming one of the highest paying niches on YouTube, combining high CPM, strong audience retention, and viral storytelling. And there are already channels dominating this space. Take Cran Capital, for example. With just a few videos, they've built a massive audience in a very short time. Another example is Casual Economics, which has also grown rapidly with only a handful of uploads. These channels prove one thing: this niche is still early and the opportunity is massive. In this video, you'll learn how to find viral topics, write engaging scripts, use AI voiceovers, edit cinematic documentary-style videos, and optimize your content for maximum RPM and views. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. So let's start with what this niche actually is, and why it matters more than most people think. In this category, the focus is on content around money, but not in the typical how to make money online way. We're talking about topics like financial crises, how money really works, the history behind financial systems, and basically anything that helps people understand money on a deeper level. Now, here's why this is such a big opportunity. The competition is still relatively low. That means if you get in early, you're giving yourself a real advantage. It's much easier to grow in a space that isn't already overcrowded. So we'll start with branding. Instead of spending days trying to make everything perfect, just keep it simple. You can even use ChatGPT to quickly come up with a name, a logo idea, and a banner concept. If you look at this channel, the branding is very basic, and it works just fine. So I'll head over to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt. Then hit send, and boom, our channel logo is ready. Now for the banner, I'll paste this prompt, hit send, and just like that, here's our channel banner. Super simple. Don't worry, I'll leave all the prompts I used in the description. For this image, you can always edit the images here in ChatGPT. Just click on the image. For example, I don't really like the surrounding icons. I prefer something clean and minimal. So I'll tell ChatGPT to remove them, hit send, and boom, it generates a much simpler banner. I love this one. So now our logo and banner are ready. Channel creation. Now, let me be real with you on this one. From my experience, this is exactly why most new YouTubers quit within a few weeks. Imagine putting in all that time and effort to create a video, only for it to get 0 views. No clicks, no engagement, nothing. It's frustrating, and over time, that kind of result can really drain your motivation to keep going. But here's the truth. It's usually not because your content is bad. A lot of the time, it comes down to how the algorithm sees your account. For example, if you're using a brand new Gmail account to create your YouTube channel, the system might flag it as suspicious or bot-like behavior. And when that happens, your videos simply don't get recommended. That's how you end up stuck at 0 views. So here's what you should do to avoid shadow banning. Use an older Gmail account to create your channel, or take some time to warm up a new one for about 2 weeks. And it's actually very simple. Just use the account like a normal person. Watch videos, like them, leave comments, interact a bit. In fact, you can start right now. Drop a comment on this video and let me know where you're watching from. Finding video ideas for this niche. There are 2 methods I personally use. The first method is to follow in the footsteps of your competitors. Now, don't copy them, just study their topics and recreate them in your own way, but make them at least 10 times better. Add more value, better storytelling, and stronger delivery for that specific topic. The second method is even simpler. Go to a channel in your niche, head over to their most popular videos, and take a screenshot. Then open ChatGPT and ask it to generate 20 similar video ideas based on that example, and hit send. This method is incredibly powerful, and honestly, it's the one I use the most. You can generate endless video ideas using this approach. Scripting. Okay, this is where most people mess up. Your script is the backbone of your content. Once you truly understand this, your views can skyrocket. If you want a good amount of views, your script needs to be well-structured to hook your audience and keep them watching. That's exactly what signals YouTube's algorithm to push your content to more people. Let me put it simply. If your video has strong retention, it has the potential to go viral. But if your script is weak, your views will stall. Why? Because low retention tells the algorithm that your video isn't engaging, so it won't promote it. It's really that simple. So your main goal should be to increase your video's retention, and that starts with a killer script. A killer script grabs attention within the first 5 seconds, uses curiosity loops to keep viewers interested, delivers real value, and most importantly, avoids boring intros like,
"Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about..."
No, that doesn't work anymore. If your videos start like that, it's no surprise you're getting around 20 views. It's not 2015 anymore. I've analyzed hundreds of successful YouTube videos, and they all have one thing in common: a strong script. So now, let me show you a simple blueprint to create the perfect video script. Back to our title. I'll be choosing this one, The Man Who Predicted Every Financial Crisis. Next, I'll click on the app under GPTs and search for this animation script builder. This is one of the GPTs I love using to create scripts, and it's incredibly simple and perfect for beginners. I'll click Start Chat, and here I'll paste this prompt. Can you generate a script for this title? I'll insert the title by following the formula I'll be sharing shortly, then hit Send. It will respond by asking me to provide the formula, and I'll paste in this formula, which is specifically designed for creating viral financial documentaries, and click Send. Now it will ask me to provide a few details, things like character description, visual style, and so on. Instead of filling everything manually, I'll simply paste this prompt. It already contains everything needed: character details, visual style, and more. And here's what it generated. As you can see, it includes the opening hook, the narration for each scene, shot descriptions, text to image prompts, video prompts, everything laid out scene by scene. To get the complete script in one place, I'll prompt it again to compile everything together. This makes it much easier to copy and paste. And here we have the full script. Now that we have both the image prompts and the script, let's move on to creating the images and videos. For this process, I'll be using this platform, Video Inu. Now, the reason why I'm using this website is that I can access all the latest AI models in one place, and this tool provides all sorts of AI content creation, so I don't have to jump around several AI tools. You can check it out yourself using the link in my description. For our image creation, I'll click here, Try Kling 3.0 Pro, and it will bring me to this interface. Since I'm creating images first, I'll toggle it from video to image. So for the image prompt, I'll copy the text prompt from Animation GPT and paste it right here, then select a suitable option. They also have all the latest models available, from Seedream, Nano Banana, and I'm going to go with Nano Banana Pro. Now here, you can select the aspect ratio for your images. Since we're creating a long-form video, it should be 16:9. You can even go up to 4K quality, which is great because it means our videos won't be blurry. And just like that, you can generate all the images for your script. These are several images I created. Now, for character consistency, like in this prompt where it has same character, I'll upload the character image here as a reference, then paste the prompt, and boom, it creates the same character in a completely different setting and action. Once you're done, you can download these images, then toggle over to the video option, upload the images you want to use as the starting frame, and copy video prompt from the animation GPTs, then paste it here. Now we're creating the video using the Kling 3.0 Pro model, and there are other models available too. You can create a video of up to 15 seconds, as you can see here, so just select your preferred duration and then click Generate. So just like that, you can convert all your images into video. If you check out their pricing, you can get started with their basic plan for only $9.99. Make sure to try it out. The link is in the description. Okay, as you all know, we'll need a voiceover. If you're planning to use your own voice, that's totally fine. But if not, you can use a tool like Google AI Studio to generate one. I won't walk through that entire process here. Just make sure you choose an energetic voice, because that's what really makes a difference. You can also check out the full video tutorial right above here. Now let's move on to editing. You can use any editing software of your choice. I'll be using CapCut for this tutorial. Click on New Video, then select all your clips in the correct order and click Add to bring them into the timeline. Before you begin, make sure to set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Next, click on Audio to import your voiceover. Play through the audio and adjust your clips so everything syncs nicely. To add more life to your video, try using transitions like snapback or black fade. You can also enhance certain moments with effects, especially where there's voice emphasis. For example, here I split the clip and added a shake effect to make it more engaging. Feel free to edit in your own style and experiment with different features. Once everything looks good, click on Text, then Auto Caption, choose your preferred template and click Generate, and just like that, your captions are ready. You can also customize the style and font, so feel free to explore different options. When you're satisfied with your video, click Export. Let's preview the final result.
If you think financial crashes are unpredictable, you've already missed the pattern. This wasn't luck. It was a warning system nobody wanted to hear. Imagine waking up and your money just disappears. Banks were collapsing faster than people could process what was happening. Money was evaporating like it had a personal grudge against everyone. Even economists were panicking, which is rare because they're usually confused, not scared. They said it happened because of bad luck and risky investments, but that's only the version they want you to believe. Because here's the part they never mention. Behind the scenes, the warning signs were everywhere, but nobody wanted to stop the party.
And that's it. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.